Right, okay, well we brought you here to show you the pier, Torrevieja Pier, and the refurbishment that's been done on it. Down at this end down here, it's all new. You know, the railings are new, all the underside of it is new metal structure. If you remember, it was yellow, the yellow pillars they had before, they're all sort of a browny colour now, dark brown colour. And the interesting thing is this bit across here. Oh, by the way, we are at the sort of fish dock. It's by the fish dock and sort of outside the bar isla.
You can smell that fish.
Yeah, it smells good, doesn't it?
Yeah.
What I'm amazed with though is this thing here. Now, if you look at the wall of the pier, where there's a break in the construction of the walkway, that's where the big massive sweeping bridge is going to go. You see how they've cleared the old wall. That's now blank. They've cleared that away from, you know, the top. You see the old bit at the end. We'll go a bit further so you can see it in detail.
But what I don't understand now is they've put these new lights in.
Yeah, they're new lights.
That's in the middle of where it's going to go, is it?
Well, it probably goes at this end maybe. I just find it's amazing because it's such a long way from there to there, because that's where it's going to come out, isn't it?
Yeah.
Unless it is a bit nearer that side. But it looks like they've actually cut through the stone there. Let's just show you the harbour development. I'll stick the pole up in the air.
We can't see.
We can't see it, but you can.
Let us know what it's like.
Yeah, let us know. But it's coming on very, very well. I think by this time next year it should be finished, but we haven't got any dates, have we?
No, we don't know. I don't think they really know for sure.
Cranes are still there, there's still a lot of work going on, but they've rendered quite a lot of the outside of the building in white. All the red brick has gone now. So there we are, but let's just cross the road and just show you this. It sort of blocks off for safety reasons obviously, but I'll just stick the pole over the top so you can see the wall, and you can see where they've made a break in the wall, and you see how far they've got with the new walkway, which is over there, the metal structure, which has replaced the old one. And then if I go around this way, you can see, I think down here, we'll just go a bit nearer. This is the bit we think.
Yeah, maybe that's why they've stopped the lamps there, because they haven't put any down here. So
yeah,
allowing for it to come across.
Well, it must come around. Have a look at the plans. It's not going to be a straight line, I don't think, to there.
No, I think it sort of curves, doesn't it?
Yeah, and there's probably going to be some pillars put up here to support the middle section. But that's where it's coming from, as far as we know. It's quite amazing.
It's going to be fantastic when it's finished.
Yeah. Definitely be the showpiece of the town. Right, I think that's it. So don't forget to move your fingers around the screen so you can see everything, and you can look at whatever you want to look at. I try and keep the camera steady as possible, so it's sort of on. You're on the wrong side now, aren't you? So it's on us all the time. This fella's jogging here. I don't want to meet face with my camera.
No.
We just lift it up a bit. There he goes.
So if you're liking these 360-degree videos,
360
subscribe,
view.
give us a like and subscribe to the channel so that you know every time we release a new one.
Yeah, that's it. 3,
It's
2,
free.
1 ping.
It's free to subscribe.
It's free to subscribe, costs nothing. And you can have a good look round Torrevieja with your finger, or your remote control if you're watching on TV. Use your remote control. And on that note, I think it's time to sign off, so we'll see you later.
See you later.
Catch you in the next one.
Bye.